Hi, my name is Dr. Meigo. I'm a senior lecturer in design engineering within the Wolfson School. I teach design subjects across our mechanical and product design engineering programs. In this video demo, I'm going to show you virtual reality or VR as a new and exciting tool for engineering. Many of us know VR as a gaming technology until very recently. More and more engineering companies are now seriously exploring and seeking to deploy VR as a useful tool in their product development process. You'll see some examples on the slides later on. We have been offering VR projects in the last few years in the school. At the end of this demo, I'm going to show you two example Part C or third year individual dissertation projects. The students have each spent about 400 to 500 hours, and they designed the concept of their game, built it in Unity, and they tested what they've built. I hope you enjoy the demos. Before you proceed, maybe take a quick guess on how old do you think VR technology actually is.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's select an interest point. Let's aim for the rear mirror, begin test. Let's see if we can touch it. We're getting closer. Yeah, we can touch it just fine, no problem. Let's see if I can touch the turning lights. Just aim at it. Let's see, begin test. As long as I go through a steering wheel, I can touch it just fine. Going like that would require a little bit of full body movement. Let's see if I can actually touch. Well, what else should I touch? What do you want me to touch? Let's see if I can play with the vent. I'm just gonna aim for the vent. I'm gonna begin the test and almost like with the left hand. Touching the vent, well, it's possible, though, you know, my elbow might actually hit the door, so I would put the door farther away. But yeah, the problem with this demo is that right now the full body tracking is not perfect. If we could perfect it, then the idea of ergonomics, of measuring ergonomics in McLaren's car or any other car would be, well, quite simplified via the use of VR.